The full extent of Florida's damage and flooding won't be known until daylight and likely well beyond that, but we do know that there's going to be a lot to clean up.
Today, we're also feeling the impact here in Cleveland, with most flights to Florida canceled as cleanup begins. Elizabeth Van Mitri is joining us live from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport with the latest. Good morning, Elizabeth.
Good morning. Yeah, we're seeing changes that happened overnight. Originally, Miami, we saw Fort Lauderdale, they were on standby, but now we are seeing that they are on time. That 6:15 flight is heading out from Miami. And as of now, Fort Lauderdale also on time this morning. Fort Myers, that is a flight that is canceled. Sarasota canceled, Orlando canceled. We have to mention that Orlando, Sarasota, and Daytona all closed their airports yesterday afternoon. They said they're going to decide to reopen over the next coming days. Across the U.S., we are seeing over 2,000 flights canceled today. Take a look here.
So to reschedule and go to Cleveland to Nashville to New Orleans.
Now, originally, when you saw kind of your flight path, were you nervous with the hurricane coming in?
I was, for sure. I mean, going down to Florida right now, knowing the hurricane is there, not knowing what direction it might take, I was definitely nervous about it.
Now, this video here was sent by Ashley Abler, a former resident of Olmsted Falls. You can see her view as Hurricane Milton made landfall with those powerful winds and heavy rains. The storm came ashore with winds over 100 miles per hour. Tampa was originally forecasted to take a direct hit, but was spared as the storm did shift south. Ashley and her daughter, who live in Sarasota near where Milton made landfall, decided to ride out the storm. The main reason for staying, evacuating, was difficult with major traffic delays heading to evacuation zones.
I chose to say I know what I'm getting involved in, but it's just part of life here in Florida. Just like, 30 plus years back in Cleveland and snowstorms, it was just part of it. It's the same thing. It looks wild from the outside looking in, but once you're here and you've gone through a couple of them, it's just another big storm that you're just ready to get through.
Now, after about an hour and a half on land, Milton did downgrade to a Category 2 storm. Disney World, a popular place for people heading out of Cleveland to travel to, is closed today. All of their parks are closed, as well as Universal Studios has closed their parks. For now, if you're heading to Florida, it certainly is a waiting game to see what things look like as the sun comes up.
Elizabeth, with all of these flights canceled, what can travelers do and what are their options?
Yeah, so American, United, Southwest, all issuing vouchers to their passengers who had to go through Florida right now. That's so that they could change their flights without worrying about any fees. And that included people who were traveling using basic economy, which usually you would have to pay fees on top of. The best thing you can do is check in with your air carrier for those specific details.
All right. Thank you, Elizabeth. We appreciate it. Good seeing you this morning.